I don't wanna go to work and I don't wanna play games. I just wanna get cash or else away to say game. I ain't with that beat, but you a heater, you can get flame. Blowing on the gas when I ain't here, it's over propane. You screaming like you want some, well you ain't gon' say nothing. Don't be talking good, nigga, so I don't spray sauce. Taking for the swag, said this is so I get that. But whatever, nigga ready to die, bro. Let's fuck up, we die, bro. This guy, the niggas always want problems, jumping in violence, nigga. How this nigga say he
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brusky with and we back with another video, man. We got another gun review for y'all today, man. You feel me? Ain't nothing too special, you know. Same old, same old. But what you call it though? Before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below, man. Make sure you leave a like, man. Comment down below. I'll be responding to y'all. You feel me, man? And if you got any questions about anything that I'm gonna talk about in the video, etc., man, just comment down below, man, and I'll get back to you on that. And also, too, what you call it, if you want me to drop a gun collection video, bro, y'all let me know, bro, and I'll drop a gun collection video for y'all, bro. And then, you feel me, we can get that posted, and I'll let y'all see what I got for now. But today, we reviewing the Glock 19 Gen 5, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera over and I'm gonna let y'all see it. Alright, so, this right here, this is the Glock 19 Gen 5, man. You see it coming on a regular Glock box. I do got a few modifications on this thing already, man, so I'm not gonna really do a review on those. I'm doing a review on the gun separately, and then the mods that I do got on it, I'm gonna drop a separate review for that. So here we go. Yeah, this is my Glock 19 Gen 5. All right, I just picked this up probably like I say a week ago, or probably 2 weeks ago. But yeah, this is it's coming straight out the box. Excuse me, I got a cigar in my mouth right now, but you know, everybody do something. Well, like I was saying though, man, this how it came fresh out the box. Usually Glocks, they're come all black and stuff, you feel me? But I guess after this got made out the factory, they got painted this color, man. So yeah, it got serial coded to be desert tan. So it's not the typical Glock. It looked like the Glock 19X, but the Glock 19 came out first. There you go. So if you wondering now, why I got a little poke going out, this is a 17 round magazine that I had purchased. It's a factory Glock mag, you see. And then I got a nightstick flashlight on here. I'm not gonna do a review on this yet, but I will let y'all see. That boy is pretty bright, 500 lumens. But other than that, that's all I'm gonna tell y'all so far on it. But this how the sights coming up on them, you know, just factory Glock sights, you know. I'm gonna switch it out and I'm gonna get night sights on them. I was thinking about drilling them, man, and then adding the optic to it, man. But you know, me personally, I don't really care for optics. I could have been got one, man, but it's just I don't really care to get them. I know how to shoot good without an optic, man. You feel me? I honestly be thinking optics be for like show and all that stuff, man. You know, I shot guns that had optics on them before, and you can do the same thing with still sights if you know how to shoot, man. I mean, practice made perfect. I mean, they don't say that for nothing, but the gun came originally with 3 magazines, okay? As I said earlier, I had purchased a 17 round magazine. All these mags are fully loaded, but the gun itself is not loaded. I'll show y'all, man, just for the freaking gun police to be on here. Hey, grab the camera real quick. Keep it on there. So this is for the safety police. I'm just showing you. Nothing. Just out the chamber. Got the magazine, nothing in there. Take the fire pin in the same direction. Like I said, came with 3 mags. It was 3 15 round Glock magazines that came in it. I got all hollows up in them boys. These right here, these ARXs, man, you feel me? Or APH, something like that. They're extreme penetrators though, man. These plus Ps. They're real light bullets, but they go fast, and then the little swords on them, they make it do damage how a hollow point do. And then in the 17 round, I also got, you know, hollows. These 2 right here got golden sabers. This one got Fiat in them. But yeah, everything came with just like, you know, typical Glock back straps. Came with the magazine loader. You got your cleaner brush. You got the Glock instruction book, and you know, just everything that typically come with a Glock. So pretty much, man, you know, just your regular Glock, man. But the paint on this thing, man, it's different. you know, you can't really find a Glock 19 that got this type of paint on it. My brother got the same exact gun, you know, but it's the only two that I ever seen like this. I even looked it up on YouTube. I never seen no video like this, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the only video on YouTube posted with a tan Glock 19 in it, like an original one. So here you go if you was curious on how it look. But I'm gonna flip the camera around and then I'm gonna let y'all see the trigger pull on it real quick. Oh yeah, and also man, this is a Gen 5 if I ain't said that already. So it got the ambidextrous slide drop on both sides too. And I also got to switch over my magazine to make it left hand because I'm a left-handed person. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, this the Glock 19 Gen 5. And I'm gonna show y'all the trigger pull and stuff on it real quick, man. Stop. You know? So like you know, I already got safety check and another clip, but every Glock, when it get loaded, it don't mean the bullet gotta be in the head, but when it get loaded, the trigger does go up. So that's how you know a Glock is loaded. This is the only safety that a Glock has on it. You can see that little divot right there that's going up. My bad about the light on y'all. I'm sorry about that, okay? But yeah, shit. If you can see that little divot going up, that's the only safety that I got for it. So pretty much this is a trigger pull on it. It got a little bit of grab and then. So I say probably like a 4 or 5 pound trigger pull. Trigger reset. Trigger reset right there. Feel me? So pretty fast, man. Pretty good working, man. You know, Gen 5. I mean, Glock. You already know what it's gonna do. Glock known for the reliability and all that. I'm gonna wait till they done talking and I'm gonna see y'all next clip. Alright, yeah. So this house coming with a 17 round. Still easy to conceal. You feel me? This thing, it's compact, you know, so it got a good size to it. You can get a 3-finger purchase on it, man. I mean, it got a good whip to it and shit, so you know everything on this thing, it got pretty good economics. It got serrations on the front, so you can do a press check if you want to check one in the chamber or not. But if you want to how it look with a 15 round magazine in it, that's how it look with a flush mag in it right there. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, that's a pretty bright light right there. This thing waterproof too, man. I'm gonna do a review on this light, man. I'm gonna let y'all see how this, you know, I'm gonna let y'all see. I want to take this thing shooting and I want to let y'all see it firsthand, man. I don't want to just tell y'all on camera, man. So if y'all do want to see things like that, man, stay tuned, bro, because I do be going to the range, man. So hit that subscribe button down below, man, if y'all want to see my guns get off, man. Y'all want to keep seeing me upgrade these shits, man. So y'all niggas just stay tuned for all that shit, man. Hit the subscribe button down below. And be sure to hit that bell so you know when I drop more videos, all right? Comment down below and I'll reply back to your comment, man. And if you got any questions, just ask me, man. Also follow me on Instagram, my broski is, man. You know, you can stay up to date with me. I don't be on there that much, man, but I gotta start getting more active on that, you know? But yeah, like I said, other than that, just to review Glock 19. So yeah, this is your Gen 5 Glock 19. Desert Sign, you know? Say it right there, Gen 5. 15 shots, flush magazine. I got a gym shot right now. You see what I'm saying? So, if you're wondering, can you consider this? There you go right there. I mean, so imagine if you put it on your waistband. Alright? If you like this video, man, and you find anything interesting in the video, you just like this video, like I said, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you know when I drop more videos. Leave a like down for the kid, man, and I'll see y'all next time, man. I'm gonna take this thing shooting.